For the Gravity Heatmap tool, you'll need a point layer which contains your destination points. For a detailed guide on adding a layer and filtering, watch our adding a layer and filtering videos. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel, select Accessibility Indicators, then click on Heatmap Gravity. Select your desired transportation mode, set the configuration method, select your Opportunities point layer, and set the travel time and sensitivity. You can also set the Destination Potential field, which has to be a number column, and this would prioritize some destination points based on the chosen values. The calculation is usually some seconds in an area this size. This tool visualizes the accessibility of the destination points from the surrounding areas by taking transport and street networks into account on top of people's willingness on traveling specific distances. You can find more information about the indicator in our GOAT documentation. On the left side panel at Layers section, you can rearrange and hide the layers. When you click on a feature, you'll see its attributes. The accessibility value is an abstract value as it groups the accessibility to several destinations. The higher the value, the better the accessibility. Meanwhile, we need a statistical classification to better differentiate between good and bad. This is done automatically in GOAT using the quantile classification, and it can be adjusted. Find more information about further classification methods in our GOAT documentation. The layers legends can be seen on the left side panel at Legends section. On the right side panel at Layer Design, you can customize your layer style.